Another milestone reached for Daquan Plowden. Saturday against Northern Illinois, Plowden moved his way up the all-time leading scorers list. The fifth-year guard put up 13 points in the first half, surpassing 1,500 points in a Falcon uniform. Plowden becomes the 13th player in program history to reach the mark. Head coach Michael Huger not surprised by Plowden's success and what he continues to do for the BG program.
He's been great to have. He's been a joy to coach these past 5 years. Just his work ethic, he's changed the program, I would say. He was a part of building it up to where it is today. And for him to be able to get that milestone, for him to be able to score 15, I'm so happy for him. He's improved dramatically over the years. Each year, he's the one guy that has gotten better every year that he's been on campus. So I'm just so happy for him and so proud of him of what he's done.
And Daquan is our leader. Daquan is the workhorse and our Swiss Army knife, if you would. He's the guy that brings us all together as well. So kudos to him, and we tell him every day, just keep doing what you're doing, man. We're going to follow you. We're going to follow your lead.